How are the leads?
They're going so good. I'm just so busy right now. Always have like 20 or 30 unanswered people, I swear, at a time. I know, I know.
Okay. All
I'm
right.
slacking right now. Yeah, but I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm getting like at least one new client a week, it seems.
Okay.
Even if it's not directly from leads, it like indirectly came from leads. Like for example, one of my leads, I'm doing her tummy tuck scar. I gave her a deal, 1,200 for 2 sessions, but then she referred her husband to me for hair loss. So
Hmm.
that was another, I cut him a break. I did 350 just for a little bald spot. So that was like $2,000 right there between the two of them, off of one lead.
Yeah, that's crazy. So,
Yeah. So I had another $3,000 lead I told you about
yeah.
that she went ahead with that. So no, I've made like I see the value in it. I've seen the value in it. I, my only hang up or why I'm not doing numbers that I feel like I could be doing is myself. So that's why I needed to get the website. Yep, need to get the website in place, need the CRM, like going to increase ad spend and then that's like phase two
Yeah.
of this.
Got it. So far, you have received 223 leads for
Mm-hmm.
Delaware and for Miami, 63 leads.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, do you
Like, and
have
we've
like,
only been doing this since Christmas.
that's right.
So that's crazy.
So, do you have like any numbers like so far, like how many clients you've had and like the revenue that you've made
Yeah,
so
I
far from
did. Yeah, I did make that. I have to share the spreadsheet with you because after our last talk, I did make the list of the clients that I got out of that.
Mhm.
Um, with
Okay.
me not calling every single person right away, with me making, like learning and being, I just don't want it to be a reflection of like our work. Probably like 15 clients out of all of that, but I also have unanswered people to this day, like at this moment.
Yeah.
Like like I said, like 30 people out of like two something. So you know what I mean? I haven't answered yet. I did 7K my first month. If I can just pull off four people 4 days a week at my minimum service of 500, that's 25K a month.
Wow.
Yeah, based off of the numbers that I'm already doing. Do you see what I'm saying? Based off
Okay.
of what I'm doing. I'm doing $3,000 clients. Like that, it was like the lowest number. Four clients a day, 4 days a week at 500 per person in a service. I mean, those numbers are crazy because my overhead is not a lot. It's whatever we're doing together, that's a deduction. And then I am under contract with the plastic surgeon where I'm
Mhm.
doing $1,000 in rent a month. That's it. So 1,000 plus supplies plus Paramount Media, basically.
Yeah,
Not bad at all.
yeah, of course, definitely.
Yeah.
So, I get these things a lot that people say that, I have worked with a lot of companies and I have just wasted my money, and
Yeah.
I do get this like almost every single time that they're so scared to even put money into ads because they've seen other artists losing their money. And because of this conviction issue that they tend to think more, and then eventually they don't proceed ahead with the ads and then they
Yeah.
struggle to get more clients. So what would you say to them?
Well, what came to mind with that was I understand that there are some shady companies and people out there, but just from my own experience, I feel like are these people that are saying that they don't trust the companies also like putting all of their time and energy into using it as a serious opportunity to make money. Do you know what I mean? Because like I said, I'm doing so much and I'm already slacking a little bit. And I know the value's there, but on paper, just because I'm not calling people as fast as I can or whatever, on paper, it doesn't maybe look like I've like done too much with it.
Mm,
So I could be someone that is like, oh, I don't see the value, basically, because people aren't handing things to me. Do you know what I mean?
yeah.
So I don't know. I don't know what to say about that. I think like I I took advantage of this, and um when I take advantage of it and I'm calling the leads right away and I'm hustling as hard as I can with it, I see the value. So a lot of times this kind of stuff, it's like you get out what you put into it too, you know. I did 7K my first month. Well, I did 8. That was after the rent. So I did 7K, the office rent. 7K my first month. And then February, that was January, and then February I did 5K. That was, so I did 6 because I was after rent. And then the first week of March alone, off of just leads. Now, this was the husband that I told you was referred to me,
Yeah.
and another lead. I did 1850 the first week of March already.
Wow. Okay. That's
Yeah, like, yeah, I did 1850 from 2 clients from leads. That's what I made this week, and I was giving both of them a huge break on services. I could have probably turned that into like 2200, 2300, but so I mean, yeah, that helps me like relax, like having a good first week already.
yeah.
And you're always there for me too when I call you, and I love that. So that has been like very special. And yeah, that sets you apart from, like, I'm glad that I've had a good first experience with running ads and using you, you know what I mean? So I'm
Yeah. That's
glad I
great.
didn't go anywhere else and had to learn from that and then came to you. It was like I was able to I've gotten what I've needed and wanted. So you're so supportive. You're always answering like in such a fast manner. So that's special too.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate it.